everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I'm Beth, and today we have some blind box pins to open. So these pins are from one of my most recent pinkalamode hauls. They are Disney Princess and Villains enamel profile pins. Lots of options. We could get Ariel, Cinderella, Jasmine, Ursula, Lady Tremaine, Jafar, Belle, Snow White, Aurora, Gaston the Queen, or Maleficent. So if you follow my channel, you know I'm not going to get Maleficent, though I want her. I'd also like to get the Evil Queen and Aurora and Lady Tremaine, maybe Ursula for Maddie. Those are the ones I really want. So there are 12 pins available, and I have 5 boxes, and each box has 2 pins inside. Why I didn't get 6 boxes and give myself the opportunity to maybe get all the pins, I don't know. I guess I didn't think it through. But we'll see what we get. Fingers crossed we get some of the ones that we want. I like boxes that come with 2 pins. That's exciting. We're just gonna get right into it. All right, these are a pinkalamode exclusive, and if you know me, you know I love my pinkalamode pins. And oh my gosh, look, the bags are blue. Navy blue is one of my colors, so maybe that is a good sign. Okay, so I didn't really realize that they are very glittery. They are teeny tiny. So that's why there are 2 in each box, because they are like the size of my thumbnail. But this one is Ariel. It's very pretty. Some glitteriness in the background. They're very pretty pins. Very tiny, but very pretty. All right, we are 0 for 1. Maybe the blue bags aren't as good luck as I thought. All right, and number 2. Oh, okay. Things are looking up. This is the Evil Queen, and she has a silver glittery background. They're very pretty. They'll be good little like space fillers on my board. You know, those little tiny spaces you get in between all the big pins. These will be good for that. So she's a keeper. All right, box number 2. All right. Both out. Oh, it's Belle. Oh, she's pretty. So it's a lot of yellow. She's wearing her gold dress, and the background is glittery yellow. Very pretty. You know, there's only one princess that I really collect, so it ain't Belle. Powering through. Next is another Ariel. There she is, same as the last one. The background's pretty. It's like a purple and green glitter. So that'll be up for trade, both of them. All right, box number 3. Come on. Oh, it's Aurora. So, oh, she's beautiful. And she's wearing her blue dress. I like when they make it blue. And her background is pink with like green glitter. This is very pretty. Even if I didn't collect Aurora, I would probably be tempted to keep this one because it is so pretty. Yay! All right. Oh, Gaston. So he he looks like he's probably flexing his muscles. His background is really pretty green. At least it's another villain. And it goes with Belle, so she has at least her counterpart. All right, box number 4. We're just cruising right through these. They're cute little pins. Oh, it's another Aurora. Say on the back, limited edition, say 500. That's what the back looks like, in case you were curious. The front is the same as the other Aurora. It's not looking good for the Maleficent. Shocker. It spoke too soon. Oh my gosh. I don't know what that looked like, but I got way too excited. It is Maleficent. I never get her. And she looks so sinister, and she has that bright green background that like her flames are. Yay! Oh, that is exciting. Oh, this is fantastic. All right. It almost doesn't even matter what's in this box. I would really, really love to get Lady Tremaine and Ursula, but I feel like I've gotten 3 of the ones I've wanted, and that's pretty good. It's another Aurora. So I only really wanted the one Aurora. Alas. All right, come on. Last bag. And it's another Ariel. All right. So not my best unboxing, but I did get Aurora, the Evil Queen, and Maleficent. Those are all pins that I wanted, so yay. But I have a Gaston, not sure what I'm gonna do with him, 2 Ariels that'll be up for trade, 2 Auroras, and a Belle. So, you know, could have been worse, could have been better, but definitely could have been worse. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.